the beautiful Brijuni Islands, one of 8 national parks in Croatia. It is the home to one of the oldest olive trees in the Mediterranean. The special design surface of the Brijuni Mediterranean Garden are now home to 169 local and exotic plant species. On the northern edge of Veliki Brijun, a unique safari park inhabited by a peculiar mix of Istrian and exotic South American, African, and Asian fauna. Croatia has demonstrated a strong commitment to environmental preservation and sustainability. This includes efforts to protect vital habitats and biodiversity with a particular focus on areas of natural beauty. Croatia is actively involved in projects aimed at conserving marine life and addressing environmental challenges in its coastal areas. Furthermore, it participates in collaboration efforts with neighboring countries to protect shared natural resources and ecosystems.